Measure the rate of reaction by continuous monitoring. So instead of repeating experiments several times using different initial concentrations of the reactants, then would you calculate initial rate, and then doing all of that. Instead of doing that, we can use continuous monitoring. Is the idea that we can follow a reaction all the way to the end by recording the amount of product/reactant we have at regular time intervals. Gas volume. If the gas is given off, collect in the gas syringe and record how much you have at regular time intervals. Pretty simple. To find the concentration of reactant at each time point, use the ideal gas equation to work out moles of gas, then use the mole ratio to work out the concentration of each reactant. Loss of mass. If a gas is given off, the system loses mass. Measure at regular intervals with a balance. Use mole calculation to work out gas loss, therefore the moles of reactants left. Color change. A colorimeter measures the absorbance, amount of light absorbed by the solution. If it's a more concentrated color solution, higher the absorbance. What we want to do is plot a calibration curve, a graph of known concentrations of color solution plotted against absorbance. Take a small sample from your reaction solution at regular intervals and read absorbance. During the experiment, use a calibration curve to convert absorbance at each time point into a concentration. Change in pH. If the reaction produces/uses H plus ions, what will happen to pH? pH changes. Measure the pH of solution at regular intervals, and then you can use this to calculate the concentration of H plus ions.